Before we go and listen to their success mantras, we'll first give them the AMAS tie and the cup. Today we have with us two of our AMA stars, last Naik Arvind Phogat, who has qualified for ACC 130, and along with that we have Abhishek Bankoti, who has also qualified ACC 130, and both of them students of AMA 69 and 67 batch. And today we are going to talk to them, and in brief, we are going to ask them what was his method of preparation. Since they have cracked the SSB to the service entry, so there has to be some change they are preparing all this while. And after that, probably if the service entry SSC boys want to talk to them, I'll take you out. If anybody has any question, you can also talk to them. So come, Arvind. Or चलो आ जाओ, आप आ जाओ यहाँ रखो. So Arvind, what has been your method of preparation? Because this is exam totally related to a civilian, nothing to do with typical military preparation. So how did you prepare your GK, current affairs, and other aspects of psychology and GTO and all that?
So first of all, Jai Hind everyone. First of all, whatever Amas is telling you, just go through the process. Writing the news is a very important part. I know when I was also at Amas, मुझे ही बहुत boring feel होता था जब अफसाना मैम कहती थी न्यूज़ लिखो. मैं भी नहीं लिखता था, मैं भी बाहर खड़ा होता था. But when you go for your SSB, during your GD, during your lecturate, and during your interview also, news is a very important part. मुझे lecturate में topic मिला था economic crisis in South East Asian nations. मुझे सिवाय साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं पता था, और मैंने पूरा लेक्चरेट में सिर्फ न्यूज़ सुनाई थी डेट वाइज, और मेरा लेक्चरेट बहुत अच्छा गया था. सिमिलर वे में जीडी में भी, और जो तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू होगा उसमें भी. और सर्विस एंट्री कैंडिडेट्स के लिए मैं एक चीज़ बहुत स्पेशली कहना चाहूँगा कि नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू स्पेयर यू. हमें लगता है कि हमारे सीईओ हमें स्पेयर नहीं कर रहे, हमारे ऑफिसर्स हमें स्पेयर नहीं कर रहे. इट्स योर टाइम एंड इट्स योर करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी. तुम्हें खुद स्पेयर होना पड़ेगा, आपको पूरी रात जागना पड़ेगा, आपको अपना दिन में टाइम स्पेयर करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप कुछ कर सकते हो. लीव सर जैसे बोलते हैं कि बिफोर गोइंग टू एसएसबी आपको 90 डेज लीव लेनी ही लेनी है. तो प्लान योर लीव अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ओनली, एंड prepare systematically. I have done AMAS twice, AMAS 48 and AMAS 69. The only thing which is the difference between both the preparation, last time I am just preparing just to get recommended, but this time I am preparing to improve myself. When you go as an improved person in the SSB, they will definitely going to take you, and never stuck anywhere in the SSB. If you in one particular test you are not able to perform well, there is no issue. Focus on the next test. In my screening only I have made a mistake, but still I just stay focused and keep focusing on the next and next exam. My conference went for 45 minutes. They are asking me questions again and again, but I never stuck here. There was a question you are stuck in a jungle forest in the Bangalore, and there is no way to find the direction. What will you do? The last answer of mine was that it was a monsoon season and winds are going from Arabian Sea towards the north. And after this answer, they were satisfied and they said me, okay, now you can go. So just go through the news, and whatever sir is teaching you is the bestest. It is the bestest academy of SSB. Not only academy, it's a Gurukul of the academy. And I'm very proud that I'm a student of AMAS. It's not just an academy where you come and go. After not getting recommended last time, after 1 year, sir himself called me, why are you not giving the next attempts and all? And he is just not an amazing teacher, he's an amazing officer also. I look myself to be like him. Thank you everyone.
Let's speak to Abhishek. Just give a brief introduction, and how did you prepare? This was your first attempt? First attempt. So you came here about I think 7-8 months back, right? January? February. And you had SSB in July. So what was the gap? Like all of these boys were sitting here preparing for ACC. There are about 20 of them. They are also going to have a gap of what advise them what they should prepare after they go back from here.
Just on the very first day, Mohinder Pal sir made me stood up and he asked me that tell me the test being conducted in GTO, what are sequence wise, and I was like GTO क्या होता है? Means I was not doing the full form even of GTO because I was not prepared before. Many of you would have faced SSBs prior also, but I was means blank. I was here like kuch interview hota hai, we have to do that, and I was well prepared for my written, which I have already cleared. So and apart from that, on the very first PPTT which is conducted at Amas, in that I was unable to write even two lines. Means I was unable to complete my introduction of the hero. So I'm just telling you that this was my state on the very first day. But yes, I worked hard afterwards, and that stood me to AIR 5 at last. So as per me, which I have what I have noticed is for me that SSB depends on two factors. One is your hard work that you have to do, and for me, which I personally felt was second thing is luck, because luck matters in SSB. So hard work, you will be told over here, you will be, as per the guidance, as per the schedule. Now currently also you would be waking up till 2 or 3, so you will be told how to, do hard work. Just you have to stick to the things which you have been told over here. And the second thing which is something out of syllabus as per me, which I personally want to share, means guidance. So everyone gives tips and tricks, but personally what I felt was luck, that I was good with my luck, because somewhere I noticed in myself, means, and other one also, my colleagues of my units and my parents told me that you had blessings of others, therefore you got recommended in a very short duration of time. So I consider myself my character prior to my hard work. Why? Because when I was winding a few days back from my unit, so I was giving them a bada khana, and they said that that's not only that you did a lot of hard work that you got AR5, but it's like कि you were of good nature, you are of good nature. And मतलब I'm not, मैं अपनी खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, I'm just telling you. हाँ, my means to say is यार become a good person. SSB though you will face numerous SSBs, might you get, I hope that, I आशा करता हूँ that you should clear it in the very first attempt, but prior to that be a good person, respect everyone. Basic चीजें हैं यार जो सबको पता है, but what people do is they try showing this in those 5 days only. So what I personally think is, yeah, be a good person and help each other, and try taking seeking blessings from others through your character, through your nature. Be happy always with, means, be of that hasmukh wala nature which I was. Means these all things are told to me by others, and everyone was hoping from my unit and my that family, everyone was like कि भाई हो जाएगा, because you are of that nature. तो ये चीजें हैं. बाकी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इज लाइक नाउ न्यूमरस.
दो लाइन की स्टोरी से तूने शुरू किया.
यस, लिटरली.
वहाँ पे पूरी 11 स्टोरी लिख के आ गया, 12 स्टोरी. तो वो एक तो वो हुआ, और जीटीओ ग्राउंड को कैसे हैंडल किया? कैसे हैंडल
in GTO when I started,
शॉर्ट में बता ताकि
so when I started we were sitting. So I was having three lead. My topic was which is the external factor which is affecting India. One was China, second one was migration, and third one was terrorism. तो जैसे GD start हुआ, everyone bursted upon China. बहुत ही मतलब कॉमन सा टॉपिक है. Then few were left, दो तीन which took the topic of terrorism. But I waited because I was knowing all the three topics. And जब मैंने बोलना शुरू किया, after some time I noticed that GTO pulled his chair. मतलब हमारे बीच में कोई दूसरा बंदा आता, तो he pulled his chair and he just sat in front of me because I was giving that much good points over there. So and after that about that PGT you will be told over here, जो भी यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं just implement those all things. आसानी से you will clear everything. Command task I got that bomb disposal, and I did it on the last 30 seconds. But the GTO was happy that I'm not giving up, so that went good.
इंटरव्यू कैसे किया?
My interview was bold as per me, and एक दो जगह अटका था मैं for that general knowledge, but it was confident.
When you go for your SSB now, when you are from Amas, there is a different aura over there. Okay, so just keep maintaining that aura. In my whole group, everyone was like ki Arvind, you will give the group story. I've given group story in PPTT. I've given the GP solution, and my whole group themselves wants me to lead them just because I'm from Amas. Before our psych test, they were reading my stories, checking my photos, and I was like, okay, just make friends over there. And this Amas tag, na, never hide this. Just tell very boldly that I am student of Amas. It will help you in SSB a lot. Thank you, sir.
So thank you so much. So now, because the class is already about 45 minutes delayed, and you will take 5 minutes to eat the sweet. कितने minutes